step into the 2008 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power steering, intermittent wipers, remote trunk release, aluminum wheels, power mirror, passenger vanity mirror, and fog lamps. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.